Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's Delph Stack tutorial video, we will learn how to view your saved passwords on Safari. First of all, let's navigate to the Safari browser and click on it to open. Once the browser opens up on the screen to view passwords, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on Safari, and then select Settings. In the Settings window, you'll land on the General tab. From there, go to the Autofill section. Here, you'll see an option for usernames and passwords, which is already enabled. To view all saved passwords, click on the Edit option. You'll be prompted to authenticate using your Mac password or Touch ID. Once unlocked, a list of all saved passwords will appear on the screen. You can click on any entry to see the associated username, password, and website. You can view passwords if you by chance forget them and want to log in on another device. That's it. This is how you can view saved Safari passwords on Safari.